how do we lead together? I think that's the challenge in a way that is not the triangle, the top down image, but yeah, it's each of us sharing our uniqueness, which is the gift we have to give to the planet. What is your gift to give? Who are you? Who are you right here, right now? To me, those are the questions. Those are some of the questions. I mean, other questions that pulled me out of the doldrums during my own life path were things like, what do I think? It's watching my own mind. What do I feel watching what's going on in my body and my emotions? What do I need? What are my choices? What do I need to know? And whom can I trust? Right here, right now.